think hard enough. I can't grab this while I'm on it, right? No. Think. Yep. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Because when I was up there, I couldn't go through that grate. Let's see. Can't go in it now. I can't find a way of making it large enough and small enough for me to climb onto. Can I jump? Is it bouncy? Is it an actually bouncy castle? Excellent. Tubular. I'm having a hard time. I'm having a very hard time getting up there. Yeah. No, nowhere near. Nowhere near at all. I don't know. I'm stuck again. Can I get in there? Can't even crouch. Garbage! I'm getting frustrated. I think we're gonna call it there, guys. Leave it on this lovely puzzle that I can't solve. Cause it's getting hot in here, and I'm getting frustrated, and that's not what I need. But anywho, thank you for joining me on today's live stream. By the way, everybody. Opposite the door of the wall of the diving boards, yeah, that's the little window that I looked through to see that there was a window at the top of the topmost diving board. Words. So many words. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I will be here on this Twitch stream making some Decodent cases. Where is my phone case? So I could show you. Right next to me. So if you don't know me, I make these very fun cases that the lighting is completely messing up here. Here we go. These. And I'll be here tomorrow. Honestly, I don't even know if I'll have enough orders to make tomorrow. I might just do something else tomorrow so that I at least have some cases to make on Thursday for the streaming spectacular. But I'll let you guys know on the Discord if that's it. And if I really feel like poopity scoop like I did today, I might not stream tomorrow. Just because. Even though I have a very cute new cosplay for tomorrow's live stream. Hey, thank you for the balloons. Yeah, my Uta cosplay came in from One Piece, and today was just not a good mental health day. Hopefully tomorrow is better. And if it's not, I just won't stream. You would love to do a charm tour. I've done charm tours during the live streams. It gets a little chaotic. as you can imagine, because people are like, let me see that, let me see this, let me see that. And I can't show absolutely everything, but I have in the past. I've done plenty of live streams where I've shown charms. Maybe if I don't have enough cases for tomorrow's live stream, I could do that, a charm tour. I would have to clean up my studio today, which, that's a motivational thing, right? Cleaning. But, yeah. I'll let you guys know. I'm definitely live streaming on Thursday, because I have a commitment to live stream on Thursday. But tomorrow's live stream might just not happen. If I wake up with the same amount of frustration and self-doubt, I just might not do that. But, you know, I'll let you guys know. Anywho, thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing this game with me. And we'll finish it some other time. Who knows?